everyone, Sophia here. It is 5:35 on Wednesday. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. And no, Willie is not going to karate today because he's got a little bit of the sniffles and a little bit of a cough, and I don't want him to get sick, so we're staying home. Gives me more time. I checked the kitchen. Everything is done and nice. I still have a shiny sink. This is done here on this counter, and then on this side I did have to, I'm not gonna lie, I did have to clean the top here because of dinner last night. Didn't have time to pick it up. And I had a full dirty dishwasher, so that is running for now. So as you know, I did not film yesterday, so today I'm gonna do two tasks. If you go on the FlyLady.net website, the zone this week is zone number 3, bathroom and 1 extra room. I did the bathroom already, so I'm not taking care of that. But she did have a mission for Tuesday. That was the office, to set the timer for 15 minutes and declutter some stuff. So I do have things upstairs to do. Let's go upstairs in the office, and I'm going to declutter for 15 minutes times 2 since I already did the bathroom. Okay, so we are in the office and I'm having a hot tea because guess who has a scratchy throat too? That would be me. This basket right here needs to be emptied out. It's a bunch of stuff I've gathered from downstairs. I just put it in this basket, kind of like what they call the Sunday basket, where you put all of your hotspot declutter. However, it's getting to the point where obviously I have to address it. So let's just have a giggle. I have a pouch full of pens, so I'll do that later. But I need to go through all of this stuff. So let's get started, and hopefully I'll find my Fitbit charger in there. So I'm done. This stuff here needs to go upstairs to my bedroom. This here goes downstairs to the kitchen. This here I have to relocate to the basement. All of this is office. And I have this big pouch of pens. So let's go through this. So these are going to go to Willie's because they are colored pencils. These are the ones that are going to stay here. They already assorted. These are my drawing markers, the Faber-Castell. So these stay here. And then in here I have a bunch of black and blue pens. I'm going to take that back to work. So that's going into my car. And then these can go. This one I gotta keep because there is a what you call it, a flash drive on it, and actually need to download the material that's on that, so I'm gonna keep that. And so this goes to Willie, and this is trash. So now I got all this stuff that needs to be relocated downstairs, and I put the stuff in the trash already. This again I gotta bring back upstairs. And what I'm gonna do is this stuff, once I have relocated it, I'll have an empty basket again, and I'll put it at the bottom of the staircase in the living room. So anytime something needs to get relocated upstairs, yeah, upstairs, not downstairs, because that's ridiculous to have to bring this stuff back up in order for me to bring it back downstairs. It just makes no sense whatsoever. So yep, I'm gonna do that. So that was 10 minutes, you guys. I'm about done with that task, except that, you know, there's got to be a second basket. So let's see what we got in here. This is the box for my microphone. So obviously this has to stay in the office. pretty much emptied another basket, so that's perfect. So do you know what? I don't need this. Okay, so this one, oh, that's not good. This one I have no use for it. I don't know what to do with it. I think this basket actually, if you remember, I keep on moving it from place to place, and I said to myself I'm gonna get rid of it, but not ready for that because I'm pretty sure at some point I'm gonna need one of those. So I'm gonna keep it in the office, but with nothing in it. So in all, I spent 21 minutes just decluttering some things. I'm just gonna spend another 5 minutes putting this stuff back where it belongs, and I'm done. So you see, guys, I absolutely love the FlyLady because it allows me to come home, do just a little bit, not get overwhelmed, and I still feel like I'm accomplishing something. So tomorrow I'll show my face again, and tomorrow will be the 15th. On Thursday is the day I come home early, so we'll probably be able to do a little bit more work. In the meantime, I'm going to quickly edit this video and go quilting. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. I'm ordering Chinese tonight. Bye! Thanks for watching.